Aloe vera. Nowadays, everyone knows about this plant. There is a large number of benefits of aloe vera. If you want glowing skin that is flawless and smooth, then aloe vera can be a great option for your use. But the problem is most people don't know how to use it. Some people use the best thing without knowing how to use them, and finally, they get some results that don't work. But this will not be a problem. Who follows dope health? My community, my subscribers will always get the best. If you are new to my channel, just hit the subscribe button so you never miss a health related update. Your face and your skin is the very first thing that anyone will notice. Like your name, your face is also unique. We all are different, and to make your uniqueness noticeable, you need to do small things differently. Your face skin makes the first impression on anyone you meet. So, to make yourself look more noticeable, you need to have glowing skin. Every skin color is unique, and that is totally natural, but the trick is to glow that skin. According to a survey, glowing skin looks more attractive to people than the face structure. So, here in this video, we will talk about 7 ways to use aloe vera for glowing skin. But first, let me inform you of the power of this herb. Many people underestimate natural herbs. But we are here talking about aloe vera. This has always been in the space of skincare from ancient times. People used it to cure big pimples, scars, dark spots, rashes, itching, burning marks, and acne kind of skin related issues. If your skin got tanned from the sun, it's easy to cure it using aloe vera. Also, if you are tired of wrinkles, using aloe vera will help there as well. So, after knowing the power of this amazing herb, let's jump into 7 ways to use aloe vera for glowing skin. Tip 1. Aloe vera and rose water. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. And now take 1 tablespoon of rose water. Now mix them well for a minute. Now massage with this paste on your face. This will help you to treat age spots, pimple marks, pigmentation marks, burns, or injury marks from this face pack. You can use this 3 times a week. Tip 2. Multani mitti and aloe vera. If you have oily skin, then this can help you a lot. Take a tablespoon of multani mitti, also known as fuller earth. Now take raw milk and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. Now the amazing face mask is ready to use. This can help you to reduce excessive oil from your skin, clear your pores, and make your skin glow. But don't use this if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, then you should surely use this at least 3 times a week. Tip 3. Banana and aloe vera face pack. Take 3 to 4 slices of ripe banana. Now mash this banana. Add aloe vera gel to this banana. This will provide deep nourishment to your skin. The rich content of bananas can deeply moisturize your skin. If you have a dry skin, then you should surely use this. This will also improve moisture locking ability in your skin. Tip 4. Curd and aloe vera face pack. Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Now take 1 tablespoon of curd. Now take a lemon and squeeze it into this. Mix this all well. Apply the face pack. Keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Now wash your face with water. Curd is an excellent skin cleanser that can be used by all skin types. It contains mild acids that exfoliate the skin and remove all the dirt and impurities. Tip 5. Aloe vera, honey, and lemon face pack. If skin tanning is a problem for you, then this is an amazing solution. Take 1 spoon of honey. Now take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera. Mix them well. Apply this to your skin. Take a cotton ball and apply this on your skin. This will help your skin to remove tanning. Tip 6. Aloe vera and papaya face pack. Take a ripe papaya. Now cut 2 to 3 pieces of this papaya. Now add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Mesh this mask with the help of a spoon and apply it to your skin. Enzymes in papaya will help to remove dead skin cells, and this will help you to get glowing skin. This will help to unclog pores on your skin and smooth your skin. Tip 7. Aloe vera and turmeric. This is suitable for all skin types. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera and add 1 pinch of turmeric powder and also add rose water. Mix this well and apply it to your skin. This will help you to get an even skin tone. This will glow your skin whenever applied. By the way, you must check out video in the I button about turmeric. This helped many people to glow skin using turmeric. So give that video your time. Also, all the above tips we discussed here works really well. Now choose one tip according to your skin type and use this with discipline. Use this for few months for permanent results. Make sure to subscribe to my videos and check more of my health related content. Like this video if you loved the tips we talked about above. Make sure to be a part of my healthcare community and comment down what you want me to